Hi, I'm Patrick Shannon, and I am making a 4-part video tutorial series that will teach you all about the pen tool and creating vector illustrations. This is one of the most basic and important skill sets that a designer can have. Also, if you're an Indigenous artist, especially a Northwest Coast formline artist, learning this skill set can be a game changer. We're going to learn these skills by creating a simple project. I'm taking a sketch that I did for my upcoming clothing brand, the Stay Deadly Company, and converting it into a vector illustration to use on shirts. First up, what is vector? There are two main types of images that you might find on computers: vector images and raster images. Raster images are comprised of pixels and are what photos and most images are made of. JPEGs, PNGs, GIFs, and yes, I did say GIFs, not GIFs. These are all examples of pixel-based raster images and are fantastic for creating a complex range of colors and shades. A downside to raster images is that high-quality images will often have large file sizes. Even a basic photo from your cell phone will be anywhere between 1 to 5 megabytes in size, and that adds up. If you were to reduce the amount of pixels to bring the size down, you've now permanently reduced the quality and you can never get those pixels back. This is fine when all you need is a small image to send, but if you ever need to print it out or display it on a large screen, then you'll be left with nothing but pixelated blobs, which does not look great. Vector graphics, on the other hand, don't use pixels. They use math. That's right, the thing that most of us hate. But not to worry. There's no math required on our part to create slick images. Think of vector like connect the dots. You have a series of points that you're connecting together with lines, and the computer shows you what it would look like if all of those connected dots made a shape. Because vector is just a series of dots and lines, and the computer is doing all the work to figure out how it looks, the file sizes are absolutely tiny, and even better, because the vector shapes are being rendered in real time, you can zoom in and out as much as you would like without losing any quality or resolution, unlike raster images that get pixelated quite quickly. And also, the lines stay clean, and you can always change or modify them if you need. So now that you know what vector images are, we're going to go into the next video, and we'll be looking at the almighty pen tool and creating our first shapes.